Today I'm diving into one of the most exclusive products from Gold Professional Hair Care. This is a totally new brand to the US from Denmark that is vegan, eco-friendly, salon only, and it's not available on Amazon or local store. So if you want to learn more, keep watching.
So the Metamorphic Salon System is composed of 4 products. We have our Dream Shampoo, our Come True Conditioner, our Healing Bond, and our Vitamin Miracle. With these 4 products, we have the option of creating beautiful services and beautiful retail options for our clients. You can do in-salon treatments with these. You can add them to color your lightener as a Plex service. The technology that we have in this line is very impressive. So Marco and Victor went in and they did instrumental studies on the Metamorphic line. And what they came across was they compared these products in a lab with other big names that we know and love that are bond builders and that are products meant to re-strengthen, revitalize, and rebuild the hair. And what they noticed is our product had 18 to 20% of a higher rate of improvement on the hair than our competitors. So we have this wonderful, wonderful technology that is from Europe that we now have access to, and it beats competitors at that 18 to 20% mark. So really focusing on that and knowing that we have something special within this line is huge. In the line, we have our Dream Shampoo and Come True Conditioner. What I also love about this line is it's multifunctional. So our Dream Shampoo and Come True Conditioner, they are going to be a little bit more premium than our Wash and Nourish line, a little bit more luxury. It's not as much going to be your solution-based shampoo and conditioner. This might be for the person who just wants a little bit of luxury, a little bit something different. They don't really have any issues with their hair. They just want to be a little bit more elevated. This is also an option for them. So the Dream Shampoo is going to be great on all types and textures, but it's going to be especially excellent for people with curly hair, hair extensions. It's absolutely incredible for. The Dream Shampoo is a 70% hydration, 30% protein, but still perfect to use on all hair types. Also phenomenal for fine hair because this goes in and it almost makes the hair strands feel individually thicker, which is amazing. Even more concentrated than our regular Wash and Nourish line. So you want to make sure less is more. This is going to give you a really great, beautiful lather, which I know a lot of people really love a really good lather. This is going to be our most lathering shampoo in the line, but also just the most luxurious feeling, the most nourishing that we have, and really just goes in and hydrates and strengthens in the shampoo. The Come True Conditioner in this line, same thing. Great for all types, all textures, but especially good for curly hair, damaged hair, extensions. Going to go in and make your hair feel just absolutely beautiful. Like I said, these two are just a more premium, more luxury, higher quality ingredients than our main cosmetic line. So as a stylist, what I like to do, because, at the end of the day, we want to make sure that clients have a full range and fall in love with everything from beginning to end. So what I like to do in salon is I like to, for the most part, go in and recommend a regular Wash and Nourish shampoo and conditioner to my guests. And then when they want to switch off to something else, that's when I would go in and introduce the Come True and the Dream Shampoo. Just because it's a little bit elevated, you don't want them to, personally, and this is my personal recommendation, I don't want to start always with the best because then maybe they don't want to go back to the normal line. So it's a good way just to keep and build that reputation with your guests that they already love something from the Wash and Nourish line, and then you can go in and upgrade them to the Dream Shampoo and Conditioner. It's good to have options, and it's good to have clients just fall in love with everything from the beginning.
If you want to be the first salon to carry Gold Hair Care, be sure to contact me, message me below, or if you're one of my customers already, be sure to reach out as soon as possible. We have some great opportunities to get into this brand, and if you're a customer, be sure to ask your stylist for it because they may not even know about this brand. So the only way to get it is from a distributor or a salon. Be sure to reach out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit subscribe and click the bell to make sure you get notified because my next video is going to be on the next product and you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.